What's up, you guys? Today's Tuesday and I'm going to be doing a vlog today, just taking you guys with me throughout my day, what I'm going to do and everything. So it's 9:20 right now. We just got back from Vegas last night or yesterday and I have no food in my fridge, so I definitely need to get groceries today. I'm going to work out and just do some cleaning and get some things done. So it's just going to be kind of like a chill vlog. So I hope you guys like this. And I'm gonna make some breakfast right now. I've been fasting since 3 p.m. yesterday, so it's 9:20. So I'm gonna eat probably just one slice of peanut butter toast. I'm gonna wait 30 to 40 minutes and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Okay, I just want to wait a little bit before I go to the gym since I just ate. But I'm gonna write a whole grocery list because on my way home from the gym, I'm gonna go to the store and I just wanna make sure I have everything written down that I'm gonna need. I'm heading to the gym right now. I got a full water bottle and my grocery list that I just dropped. So on my way home, I'll stop and get some groceries, but first gotta go get my workout in for the day. So I'm heading to the gym right now, and usually I would go and do like a fasted workout, but I was too hungry, and the last couple times I've worked out without eating for like 16 hours, I've been super hungry. So I just thought I would eat a piece of toast so that when I do work out, I can get a really good workout in and just work really hard. And since we were in Vegas, I want to focus more on doing some like higher intensity stuff as well as weightlifting, just to burn a few extra calories from my Vegas trip. I just finished my workout. I was in there for about 40 minutes. I'm totally winded, but I had a really great workout and I'm just gonna head to Sprouts right now and get my groceries. Okay, I just got to Sprouts, and before I came, you guys saw I was writing out this list just to help me kind of have an idea of what I need. Obviously, I'm gonna most likely be grabbing a lot more stuff, but this is just to kind of help me not forget the things I need. And then I just broke it up into categories so that when I'm in that section of the store, I know what to look for. And I try and stay on the outside of the grocery store. I always go in to the center just for like snacks. Sometimes I get like paleo crackers or something, but for the most part I just try to stick to the outside because that's where all like the fruit and the veggies and the produce and stuff is. So I'm just gonna head in, get some groceries, and take you guys with me. They sell the pressed juicery shots at Sprouts. Alright, I'm back and I just want to show you guys what I got. So I showed you a little bit in the store and then I just realized the store was really busy and I was kind of camera shy, so I didn't really film a ton. But I'll run through everything I got with you guys right here. I thought I got a lot more, but that's okay. Okay, so the first thing is sweet potatoes. I have been craving sweet potato fries. Obviously, like when we were in Vegas, I would get a hamburger and fries and it was just really good, so I want some sweet potato fries. I buy these every time I go to Sprouts. There's no sugar added. These are 9 grams of fat, 14 grams of carbs, no sugar, and 1 gram of protein, and 110 calories for the whole bar. And it's like so satisfying. I love these. I love dates, and I used to get these when I was in college as a snack. They're just covered in coconut and they're really good, and one little guy is 70 calories. So I just think these are good. I keep them in my fridge so that they stay nice and cold. I got a bunch of berries just because I'm going through a berry phase and they were on sale. And then I got these apples, I think they're Honeycrisp, along with 2 packets of this stuff. So it's the RX stuff, and it's 1 egg white, 18 almonds, half a date. And it's like, this stuff tastes like cookie dough. I love it so much. So these are great for work. I can just put them in my bag and have them for a snack, but I always like to warm them up between my hands just to make sure they're totally mixed. But I just have one apple with one of these and it's the best snack. I love peppers, so I got a pepper. Maybe I'll make an omelet or something, I don't know. I got this puka tea. It's the relaxed tea. So when I'm fasting after dinner, like I usually start fasting at 6:30 p.m. Sometimes I just want a little snack or a little treat. Some tea is a really great treat, so I'm excited to try this kind. Usually I do like a ginger turmeric kind, but I thought this looked, first of all, I really liked the box, and I've heard good things about this brand. So we went to Press Juicery. I'll show you guys a photo in the little corner here. We went to Press Juicery in Vegas, and Taylor got these wellness shots, and I've had them plenty of times, but he finally tried them, and I got these hoping that he would want to do them with me. So this is just it's from the Press Juicery. It's ginger, lemon, cayenne, and it really burns, but I love it. I think it's amazing. So I have been really into gut health lately. I went to a class last week about gut health and probiotics and kefir and stuff, and I'll show you guys more on that later. The teacher of the class recommended this GT's brand. She said it's the best brand for the kombucha, and it's raw kombucha, where a lot of kombuchas aren't raw. So this is the best brand of kombucha you can buy. And so I just got the Trilogy, and then I love this kind, the Guava Goddess. It's one of my favorites. And then I love these drinks. They're vegan protein drinks. I'm not vegan, but I don't do well with whey protein, so any of the protein that I ever take, as in like the protein powder, it always has to be vegan or I get sick. And this has 18 grams of protein, and what I do with this is I make overnight oatmeal. So I just take half of it and I put it in some oats, like a quarter to a third cup of oats, and then I add in some other nuts and seeds and fruit, and then this is my milk for it. So it's just a really good way to add protein to my oatmeal. I got some organic free range, wow, I cannot talk. Also, I feel like I'm getting winded from talking so much, so that's totally fine. Organic free range ground turkey, and I'm gonna make it with some spaghetti squash. So I got a spaghetti squash. I got a couple bananas. Taylor's allergic to bananas, so for me, I only go through like maybe half a day. I don't really eat bananas a ton, so I only got 2. And then while we were in Las Vegas, I had the best energy bowl at one of the restaurants at our hotel. It was just like some chia, some fruit, some maple syrup, and some cacao, and it was super delicious. So I'm gonna put some kiwi and some other fruit in my chia bowl. I got some probiotics salsa at the class I went to last week, and so I just bought these chips to eat them with the salsa. And then these are really good. They're some, like, I think they're like paleo, or I don't know, maybe they're not paleo. I thought they were. But they're just these really good cheddar crackers with all natural ingredients, and they're made with almond flour. So they're gluten-free, and they're just a really great snack. I got some almond milk for Taylor. And then, oh shiz, I didn't mean to buy whole milk. Oh well. Okay. I have been making kefir. So I put, this is like a whole nother video or a whole nother thing. I'm not a pro. I've just been doing it for like 1 week, and I've already gone through a thing of milk, but I'll just show you guys. Okay, so you buy the milk and then you put it in your cupboard. Oh, side note, I have to tell you about this lemon tree. You put it in your cupboard out of direct sunlight, and you put it in there with what they call kefir grains, and then you set it out for 24 hours, and it makes your homemade kefir, and it's amazing, and it actually tastes pretty good, and it has a lot of good probiotics in it, and I'm a total fan. I've only had it a couple times, but I just add it to my smoothies for my milk, and it just makes them nice and thick, and then I also get the probiotics. So between that, the kombucha, and then I also have some salsa with probiotics in it, I'm doing pretty good. So yeah, so that's everything that I got from my grocery haul, and I feel like I did forget a couple things, like, dang it, I'm really mad. I didn't mean to get the whole milk. Usually I do 1%, but they both have a red lid, and so I got it. It's totally fine. I'll just drink it, and then next time I'll just make sure I get the right kind. But yeah, so this is everything I got, and I'm gonna put it away. But I want to show you guys my lemon tree. So I just got a new job, and that's why it's Tuesday and I'm not working today. It's because I start my new job on Thursday, and I'm really excited for my new job. It's gonna be really cool. But this is a lemon tree from my amazing manager, at my last job. She's incredible. It's a lemon tree and I'm so happy. So I have it here sitting in the sun, and don't mind this like cluttery corner. It's like my printer slash storage corner slash kefir making corner. But this is a lemon tree and I'm just keeping it inside until it warms up a little, and then I'm gonna put it out in the sun. And it already has like little baby lemons on it. Here's some baby lemons. They're so small, but apparently by next December, it's supposed to have lemons if I can not kill it. So that's the goal. I just think it's so pretty and I love it in my house. And then also, might as well show you all my other plants. This is an olive tree and it's going on strong. I've had it for a couple weeks. And then I just have a little succulent right here. So this is the window that gets the most sun. So that's why they're over here. Okay, it's now 11:50 and I haven't eaten anything since I had that little piece of toast, and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. I'm gonna do a smoothie, I'm gonna do some eggs, and I'm gonna do a couple like blueberry gluten-free Eggo waffles. They're this kind. I like these ones a lot. So first I'm gonna make my smoothie. I just got this at Sprouts and I don't think I mentioned it in the grocery haul, but it's just baby kale and baby spinach. And I just like to add like 2 big handfuls. And again, I don't really track my greens. I don't really see, I mean, it might be like 15 calories, but if I do, this is how I measure it. So I put my weigh scale under, I press 0 to make sure it's zeroed out. And then I add 2 handfuls. Or 1 bigger one, just depends. Like maybe a little bit more. And it's 50 grams. So when I put that in my phone, I'm gonna take some out, that's a lot. Okay, 41 grams. And then I just scan the food. I pretty much weigh everything in grams because it's really easy. And then I scan the barcode. And then if I put in 41 grams, that's 14 calories for all of these greens. And I'm gonna add that. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm gonna zero it out again, and I'm gonna add half a banana, the smaller half. Okay, so I added my banana. And then here's my kefir that I made last week, and there's some blueberries in it. And so I'm just gonna add one, I'm gonna do less than a cup actually. I'm just gonna pour it in here and not fill it up all the way. It's so good, it smells like yogurt. People probably think this is weird, but I think it's really good. And if it makes my stomach if it helps my stomach digest, then I don't really care what anyone thinks. So I'm just gonna add almost a full cup. It's not quite a full cup. And it kind of is a thicker texture. It's not quite as thick as yogurt, but hey, it works. Okay, so here's my kefir. I have some banana, the kefir, and the greens. Maybe I'll just do a little pineapple. And that's 59 grams of this Trader Joe's pineapple, frozen pineapple. And that's 34 calories. Okay, now I'm just gonna add water. Bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. I'm just making a little fried eggs. Actually, I'm making 2 fried eggs. And then my little Eggo waffles are cooking. And I have my smoothie. And I'm gonna drink all of this today. So I have this. And then this, I'll just pour it in here once I'm done. Here's my breakfast. Hi guys, I'm just sitting here finishing my smoothie. And I just wanted to tell you guys a tip that's helped me lose the weight. So my last video was, I posted a video that I lost 5 pounds, and I don't think I mentioned this, maybe I did, but if I did, just know I really believe in it. And I was having a hard time, so I was eating really well, what I thought was really well, but I wasn't losing weight and I was just staying the same weight. And I was even like, I think I gained like 2 pounds. This was just a few weeks ago. So I'd like lost 7, I like had lost 7 pounds or something, 6 pounds. And then I gained 2 more pounds. And then I like, so it's been kind of fluctuating. And then I texted my friend who I mentioned in a couple of videos ago, who's been helping me kind of track everything and make sure I eat the right amount of calories and have the right amount of exercise and stuff. And he suggested not going out to dinner or to lunch anymore, just for the time being, just as I'm trying to be more particular in exactly what I'm eating and knowing how many calories I'm eating. And he just said, Carly, you gotta not go out. Like, maybe once in a while is okay, but for me right now, not going out has helped so much. So it's just been, I think a week and a half since he said no more going out. Obviously he's like, do whatever you want, but I'm taking it to heart. Like, yeah, you're right. Like, I really want to see goals, or I really want to see results. And so I'm going to totally take what he says and listen to it. And so I'm making it a goal this week not to go out to breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and to just make sure that I eat everything from my fridge and cook meals and prepare meals and everything like that. And so if you want to join me, this week's challenge is not going out, and I guarantee you that you will feel better and you will see results quicker. I just spent the last like hour cleaning up my main room and it looks so much better. And then I also hung my gallery wall. These photos have been sitting on the side, like on the side of the wall for like 2 months now. And I finally hung it, so it looks so cute. I got all the frames from IKEA and then I just hung it up with the strips, the command strips. Okay, so I talked about my little lemon tree earlier, and Taylor and I are gonna go to Cactus and Tropicals to get a little pot for this guy so I can stick it outside in the sunlight. I think it'd be so cute with like yellow lemons.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go.
And that's how it's done, people. Here's my little tree. And we got the yellow pot, which is so cute. I can't even wait for it to have little lemons on it. And the yellow and the yellow will be so fun. Okay, here's my dinner for one. I have some sweet potato. I just have some arugula with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon oil, and some freshly grated Parmesan. And then I have some chicken buried under my lettuce and my sweet potato. And then I have an iced drink. This is the grapefruit kind. So Taylor's at class right now, and so it's just me tonight, and I'm just gonna have a nice relaxing night after I eat this dinner. So I hope you guys like this vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
What makes this happy faster?